Hi, everyone, and welcome. I'm Lois Bollman. I'm the current college career and readiness coach for Forston Junior Senior High School. Uh, Prior to my position here for the past couple years, I was the business teacher here for 3 years. I also worked for Highland Community College in their office technology lab for 20 years. And I spent time working with the Partners for Employment opportunities that were available through Highland to get students and adults back to school and back to work, and also working with the IDES, the Illinois Department for Employment Services. So right now, I'm really excited to help your son and daughter figure out their post-secondary plans and whether or not they plan to go to a two-year college, a four-year university to find employment and start in the workforce with a career or join the military. Um, as a college and career coach, I coordinate many of the things that I do with our high school guidance counselor, Mrs. Bergren. And currently, we're making plans for students to attend Experience Highland. That's an opportunity for the kids to tour the campus, to meet the college professors, talk to the students, get a real feel for what's going on out at Highland Community College. We hope to take a busload of kids up to NIU or to Platteville, depending upon the student's interest. So we like them to get out to look at some of the four-year colleges in the area as well. A couple other things that I do strongly is work with the students on how they can prepare themselves to be successful in school and during the whole process, really with scholarships, the applications, anything that they would need or have concerns about, and touring the campuses, et cetera, helping them out with that. We also help out with anything with careers, having guest speakers come in or getting the opportunity to speak to individuals in the career field of the student's interest, and assisting in anything with resumes, cover letters, letters of recommendation, anything involving the college and career programs. One of the things that I really need to stress to you as a parent, I do this also with our students, is make sure that they show you and that they look at their Google Classroom for their grade level. Mrs. Bergren and I, we put things out there on that site that will help them explain some of the things I was just talking about, show them examples. We'll be having a workshop here in September on the FAFSA utilization of that, filling them out accurately. I know it is a graduation requirement. So that's available. And just things like that as they come up, we want the students to be knowledgeable of those things so they don't miss them and to take advantage of them. If you have any questions, you can contact me by calling the school or simply emailing me at lbowman@fbdistrict221.org. And I'll be glad to get back to you. I am located at the high school in the library area. I'm here every Tuesday and sometimes on Wednesday. And you can contact me anytime, even though I won't be at school, I can contact you from home. That's not a problem. All right. So I look forward to an exciting new year again of our seniors making their plans here as they tend to exit the Forston High School and go on with their field of interest, and having our younger students coming up through the ranks and being successful. Thank you and have a nice day.